So guys, here in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a data frame with the help of Pandas library. So for that, we are going to import Pandas library, and along with that, I'm going to show you how to create a data frame with the help of predefined data which are available in sklearn's library. So for that, we are going to import Pandas and sklearn library first. So first of all, import pandas as pd, and from from sklearn dot datasets import load underscore iris. So today we are going to use iris dataset. So with the help of that iris dataset, we are going to create a data frame, and we have imported the libraries which are required for this program. And I'm going to call this load underscore iris function in a variable which is iris. So iris equal to load underscore iris of. So by running this, I can tell I called that load underscore iris in iris variable. Now there is a function in Python which is dir of, which is used to see what are all the properties and methods available for a particular object. So I'm going to use the dir of function to see what are all there in iris. So by running this, I can see we have data, feature names, file name, frame, target, and target names. These are all the things we have in that iris object. So with the help of this, we are going to create a data frame. So to create a data frame, we need data and feature names. In data, we do have all the data available of that iris flower. In feature name, we do have the column names of that particular data. So for creating a data frame, I'm just creating a variable which is df, which is equal to df equal to pd dot data frame of, and this d and f should be in capital, and within bracket we need to mention the data. Our data is iris dot data. In iris we do have data. I mentioned that here iris dot data, and for the column names, columns equal to iris dot feature underscore name. So by running this, I can tell we have created the data frame here. And to see what are the things in data frame, we need to mention df dot head of. By running this, I can see we have 4 columns in our data, and whenever you give dot head of, it will show first 5 rows of the data frame. So we have sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width in our data. This video, I mean, if you want to see how many rows and columns you have in your data frame, you just mention df dot shape. By running this, I can tell 150 rows we have in. So this is the way you need to use to create any data frame with the help of pandas library. So I do have an exercise for you guys. So instead of this load underscore iris, you just do use load underscore digits, which is a load underscore digits. So you just use this load underscore digits and try to create a data frame with the help of that pandas library. So just do this exercise, and I'll meet you again in next video. Thank you so much. Bye.